Going to very quickly show you the AWS Cloud Shell. So this is actually a relatively new feature for AWS. It's actually catching up to other cloud providers. Some other cloud providers have already had this for a while. But if you hover above this little icon up here, it says Cloud Shell on it, you can click on it. And what you're going to see is you're going to actually see a terminal open up, kind of. And on the first visit, I guess, you're going to see Welcome to AWS Cloud Shell, and tells you there's basically a lot of pre-installed tools in this terminal that's going to be opening up. There's some free storage included, and there's save files and settings that you can do. So I'm just gonna close that. And the first time, it's gonna take actually a while. It's gonna say waiting for environment to kind of get started. It's basically just bootstrapping the Cloud Shell. And once it starts up, basically you have the AWS CLI installed and a bunch of other tools like Python and whatnot. And you can actually use it as a pretty usable shell, but kind of on the go, I would say. I wouldn't use this as my main editor, but definitely it's very useful for like work when, let's say, you don't have access to your laptop. All you need is a browser. And the credential it uses is your credential you're logged in with. So if you have the permissions, then you can kind of do whatever you normally do. So I'm just going AWS S3LS, so you can kind of see that I'm listing the buckets there, and type AWS. Let's actually explore this a little bit. Let's see what OS is running. So it's running Amazon Linux right there. Okay, who am I? PWD. Okay, and you can see they created a user called Cloud Shell user. But yeah, this is actually again used for on the go, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty nice to have actually access to this additional tool when you kind of need it, like in a jam or anything. Okay, cheers.